Are you a marketer or agency struggling to find high-quality leads? Spending countless hours searching, only to come up empty-handed? Imagine a tool that not only finds these leads, but also helps you close deals faster than ever. Introducing SmatLeads, the revolutionary platform designed to transform your lead generation process. Key features. SmatLeads taps into Google Places, Bing Places, and LinkedIn to provide a comprehensive list of potential clients. Utilize AI to analyze and score leads, ensuring you focus on prospects most likely to convert. Generate detailed, branded reports to present to clients, enhancing your professionalism. Integrated outreach. Contact leads directly through the platform, streamlining your communication process. Exclusive lifetime deal. For a limited time, SmatLeads offers a lifetime deal at an unbeatable price. Plans start at just $69, a significant reduction from the regular price of $468. This one-time payment ensures you have perpetual access to all features without recurring fees. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Check the description box below and click on the product link to secure this deal today. One user shared their experience, stating, "SmatLeads has revolutionized our lead generation process. The AI insights are spot on, and we've seen a significant increase in conversions." Another user mentioned, "The customizable reports have impressed our clients and set us apart from competitors." Who can benefit? Marketing agencies. Streamline lead generation and focus on high conversion prospects. Sales teams. Access a steady stream of qualified leads to boost sales figures. Consultants. Identify businesses in need of your expertise and reach out effectively. SmatLeads is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone involved in lead generation. With its AI capabilities, multi-source data access, and user-friendly interface, it addresses the core challenges faced by marketers and agencies today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you leveraging SmatLeads to transform your business.